Ba-na-bum. 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 Bum-bum. Yeah, guys, I got Robux. So I have got myself the beautiful hair for beautiful people, the shoulder sloth. I got EXP share for Pokemon Brick Bronze. I got extended duffel bag for this game, and I got some clothes underneath it. I got the Sloth Season 1 repping the Poke Squad. And yeah, didn't have enough. I only got 800. Didn't have enough for the shiny teeth, so I just left it. I used to check it now. So today I'm going to show you where to find the new cars in Roblox Jailbreak and the prices. So this person's just going to let us get a key card. Are you done, bruv? Okay. Okay. Where are you gonna go? Let's just kill her. She's gonna arrest me. Kill her, kill her. Good, killed her. Okay, so we're just gonna escape, and I'm gonna show you what all the new cars and the new Easter egg. That's right, you heard me right. New Easter egg. Guys, excited for this? You should be. So we're first gonna start off where the Mustang spawns. So if you go drive down here, you will come over across the gun store, and you will now see the Mustang. It's 50k. It looks pretty sick, and yeah, let me just show you guys. Dun, bum, dun, bum, 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 bum. And it costs 50k, which is pretty good. Most people can afford that. The next car I'm going to show you is the monster truck. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. I got the robot animation pack. So if you come across the dinosaur, you will see this 1M store, and look, it has the monster truck. I freaking fit under this thing. Look, what the actual heck? This thing's so big I can just crouch, hide under it. Okay, so if you look, read that fast. Oh crap, cop, isn't it? That's a cop. Yep, I cop. Sorry. So guys, I'm just gonna have to escape this cop. I'll see you guys in a sec. Guys, I am not sure, but I think we have lost that cop. I think that's his car. Okay, so we're just gonna enter the back door. So yeah, guys, here. Oh crap, the cop, that is the cop. So here it is. It costs 1 million, and yeah, it looks really sick. Bye. Go, drive. See you guys in the next shot. Doopady doo, hawadawo. Iba yo. Stop blasting music. Thank you. Sorry guys about that. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to record a vid right here. This is my annoying sister. I don't have face cam on, don't worry. As you can see, so as you can, oh wait, this person has a Mustang carriage over here.
Right.
So as you can see, repping that Team Sloth merch, and yeah, I'm going to hop in this guy's Mustang. Actually no, he might go around that one too. You got to see some sadness?
No.
Guys, go subscribe to Aretha X. That's my sister. Okay, so if you go from the trim base 1, you will, if you go this way, sorry, follow the train tracks this way. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yep, I am.
Do you get notificated if someone subscribes to you?
Yeah.
I had no notification.
That's because it was a long time ago. That's me and someone else.
You subscribed?
Yeah. To help you out. That's awkward. Okay, so if you go through this tunnel, you will end up here, and if you keep driving, follow these tracks. Let's go. If we keep going and going and going and going and going and going, you will find this place. Oh wait, I'm driving the wrong way. I see you guys when I'm near there. So guys, if you pass the fire station, you will find this road. If you go up it, you will come across here. And this is where the convertible used to be, but they have replaced it with the Ferrari. Let's check this out. So, out of all the cars, I think this one looks the best. Yeah, the monster truck looks like the most in real life, though. Okay, so video's done. May as well rob a place. Actually, I might just, let's rob a place. Because I've got extended duffel bag now. It's been too long. My old account got hacked. Gave that to my friend. And little does my friend know, I gave him my hacked account. He thinks it's my recent account. Oh yes! It's open just at the right time. I love this game. Let's go. You'll probably B. Turn sound up, please. Ton of mail is you happy. Okay, so let's go. Let's punch all of this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One. Go. I don't care. Let's go. One. Oh, there's a camping co-op. I just saw them right there. Damn. Why are you putting that in my... by the way, guys, here's the trick. You crouch when you're here, and then jump. You can kind of see up. Okay. See, you can see it. So there's no camping cops. Finally, there's no camping cops for once. And we jump. Wait, is that? This is a new hotel. Oh, that's a new apartment. That's sick. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys the Easter egg. Forgot about that. Let's just fly. Yes. Let's go. Robbery success. See you guys at the Easter egg. Okay, I just robbed the gas station. Now it's time to go to the Easter egg. Let's go. Okay guys, now we can get a better look at the monster truck because that camping cop is gone. So, if we look at the front, we can see it looks very lifelike and it's got big wheels with dollar signs. It's yellow. I think it can fit some people in the back. In my last video I said it can fit some people in the back, 2 people. I meant like standing and crouching. I think some of you meant like seat. Oh, you can see my sloth bar. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna run to the destination. So, you come here. You've just got your monster truck. You're gonna drive it up these hills. I think it's too far away. I'm just gonna grab my car. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my car and go to the Easter egg. Wait, I think it's... I'm not sure, but I think it's here.
Ow!
Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay. So, I kind of forgot where the thing is. The Easter egg is, but I think it's this way. I saw it before, it's pretty good. Pretty funny. I forgot where it is. Damn. Okay, so I think it's over here. Drumsticks aren't allowed. I think it's near here. I think it's behind here. Yep, found it. You guys, I'm not letting you see it. Okay, this brings a whole new meaning to camping cops. You've got this guy really scared with his hat off. This girl roasting marshmallows. A girl that's a bit burnt. Yeah. And this guy is telling a spooky story. And this guy's probably scared by it. Can we go into the tent? No, we can't. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to smash that like button, click the subscribe button, press the bell if you can. It will really help me out. Yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.